what's up guys, Make Money Matt here, helping you guys make money online. Right now, I just want to show you guys how much money that I've made off of YouTube in the past month, in the month of January 2019, just so you guys can see. So going along here, as you can see, we've maintained an average of about $500 a day, which is very good, especially in the month of January, because typically ad rates are a little bit lower in January than other months. Now, obviously, this method that I'm teaching works for any month. You can do this whenever in the year. It's just in some of my previous videos, as I was saying, ad rates are typically higher at the end of the year around the holiday season, but that's not to say that you can still make a lot of money, guys, during the month of January and during the whole rest of the year, because advertisers are still spending money on YouTube ads, and that's this method that I'm teaching here. So going along here, as you can see, pretty much $500 a day. We've dropped a little bit below that on some days, but brought it up to $600, almost $700 that day, going around $400 here, and then towards the end of the month, $783 in a single day for a single YouTube channel, guys. This really is possible. Now, I always show you guys this to prove to you guys that this really is possible to make a lot of money on YouTube. And what if I were to tell you guys that I did this without even making videos? Now, if you guys are familiar with my channel, you may be kind of familiar with the method that I'm teaching. I'm going to get into exactly how to do this in a little bit, but real quick, let me just show you the analytics of a second channel that I run. This is a channel that I actually started in the beginning of 2018, and it's already grown to be a very big channel. I got it monetized very fast, and this is all using the tactics that I teach in my courses. But taking a look at this channel in the month of January, as you can see, this channel made around $100 a day. I really haven't been putting hardly any work into this channel at all. So adding these two channels up together, 15,000 plus 3,000, I've made well over $18,000 in the month of January just with this method. I have other channels as well that I'm doing stuff on, but with the method that I'm teaching, uploading the videos to YouTube that you didn't even make, I made over $19,000 just in the month of January, which is absolutely amazing, and I want to show you guys how you can do it too. So I think the best way to demonstrate this is to show some example channels of what other people are doing and making a lot of money with YouTube as well. So the first channel I want to show is actually a channel that I haven't shown on this channel, Make Money Matt, before. This is a channel that I recently found. It's called Edwin, and as you can see here, looking at this channel gets a lot of views, guys. As you can see, their second most popular video was uploaded only 3 months ago, and it has 13 million views. Most satisfying factory machine tools. And these are using videos this guy didn't even make. Now, I always advise you do like a voiceover in the videos and stuff, but I just want to show you guys that people are doing this, and they're making a lot of money on their videos. So taking a look at this guy's videos, if we go to the Social Blade stats of this channel right here, absolutely amazing. Look at this. The estimated monthly earnings on this Edwin channel is $4,000 to $77,000 a month. That's per month, guys, on this single channel. So this guy's making a lot more than I am, even with my two channels combined. But this guy's not showing how he does it. I'm actually showing you guys how these channels do this. And I want to peel back the curtain on my own channels and show you guys how much money I'm making to motivate you to actually take action. Because this really is possible to make a lot of money on YouTube. So as you can see, this guy uploads around 3 videos a week. He only uploaded 1 video 2 weeks ago, but around 3 videos a week. As you guys know, I advise to upload way more videos than that. However, uploading videos is better than uploading no videos, I always like to say. So taking a look at this channel, let's go through his most popular uploads here. And as you can see, the thing about his most popular uploads is that all these were uploaded within the past year. 1 year ago, 3 months ago, 1 year ago, 1 month ago, already 9.4 million views. This one was 2 years ago, so this channel has been around for a little while. I'm going to show you some new channels that are much newer, that essentially just started, just like my channel that I made at the beginning of 2018, that have already grown up to making $3,000 a month. I had some very good months too, where I was making over $8,000 a month from that channel. So taking a look at this channel right here, as you can see, this channel gets a lot of views, and I showed you its Social Blade stats. It's making well over $4,000 a month. From looking at the Social Blade stats on my own channels that I run, I know this figure is right about in the middle of these two figures, so I would estimate on the low end he's making at least $40,000 per month, which really is a lot of money, guys. And his estimated yearly earnings right here is between $22,000 and $300,000 a year. I would estimate he's probably making $100,000 to $200,000 a year. If his ad rates are really good, he could be making as much as $300,000 a year, which is a lot of money. That's way more than a full-time income just from uploading YouTube videos you didn't even make. So taking a look at another channel. I've shown you guys this channel if you're familiar with my channel a lot. This channel is called Quantum Tech HD, and they essentially do the same exact thing, showing these amazing tools that are on another level, science toys and gadgets that are on another level. As you can see, every single one of their videos is stuff that's on another level, and in a second I'm going to show you some of their videos so you can get an idea of exactly what they're doing if you'd like to do it too. So taking a look at this channel right here called Freeze List, they do the exact same thing. As you can see, you won't believe what these machines can do. Number 3, they make so many videos, and that really contributes to their success. Now, going into this person's Social Blade stats, between $1,000 and $24,000 a month, so they're making around $10,000 a month, I would estimate. Going back to this Quantum Tech HD channel, I forgot to show you guys, this channel is making between $21,000 and $300,000 per month. Now, that's a lot of money, guys. So this channel, if we go through the view count right here, it's getting around 3 to 4, even 5 million views in a single day. Now that translates to anywhere between $1.4 thousand and $22,000 in a single day. And by my estimates, it's in the very middle of that, taking a look at the analytics of my own channels. So I would estimate that this channel is easily, on the low end, making around $8,000 to $10,000 a day. Now that is a lot of money. Now, I showed you Freeze List. Freeze List is doing the exact same thing with these tech type videos. GS Tech doing the exact same thing. All these channels are doing exactly what I teach, and they're making a lot of money. Now, if we go to this person's Social Blade stats, making around $10,000 to $15,000 a month, which is very good. Taking a look at another channel called Tech HD, doing, guess what? The exact same thing. 6 hours ago, 5,000 views. 1 day ago, 100,000 views. This channel is doing the exact same thing, and it's making a lot of money as well. And if we go through some of the suggested and related channels on the right hand side here, all these channels are doing the same thing. There's so many of these channels, I honestly couldn't name them all. But I want to show you some examples of some of these videos. So let's just go with this video right here. Most interesting construction inventions and ingenious machines, number 9. 1 day ago, 100,000 views. So this one video, by my estimates, has probably made around $500. And look how many videos they're uploading. Look how many views. And look at their most popular upload too, real quick. Shocking furniture and tables you need to see to believe. 6.3 million views only 2 months ago. So they uploaded this video only 2 months ago, and it's already their most popular video with 6.3 million views. So going back to this video right here, just clicking on this random video, most interesting construction inventions and ingenious machines, number 9. And if we take a look at what this video is, there's no voiceovers in this video. It's just showing all these different, what they call interesting construction inventions and machines that people might be interested in. And the thing about this is that they just put some music in the background. Now, what I always teach my students, I always advise that you do a voiceover on your videos. However, I'm just showing you these to show you that it is possible to do it without it. But I always advise you do a voiceover if possible. But you might be wondering, how do these channels get away with this without getting their video copyright striked and getting their video taken down? Now, the way that these channels get away with this is that if you go down to the description right here, as you can see, they have links to every single one of the products that they showed in the video. So they show a link to this product right here, Lester plastic welding tool, and as you can see, there's a link to where you can buy that product. And the reason these videos aren't getting taken down is because this video is essentially free advertising for every single product they show in the video. So for this PVC cutter thing right here, it's essentially free advertising for that product. So why would the manufacturer of this product right here, why would they try to take this video down when it's free advertising? This is 100,000 views, 100,000 eyeballs on their product that they wouldn't have otherwise got. So I think they actually like this, and that's the reason these videos aren't getting taken down, and that's the reason these channels are able to make so much money, and the reason that I'm able to make well over a full-time income just uploading YouTube videos I didn't even make. Now, if you guys are interested more in this method, wanting to learn how to do tags, how to do keywords, how to do titles and thumbnails to get as many views as possible, and if you want to get monetized fast, you can check out my courses at the link in the description. This is the course page for my original course, make money on YouTube without making videos, and I show you guys the whole business model, the whole blueprints that all these channels follow. I show you how to optimize your videos to get as many views as possible, how to make an AdSense account, niche ideas, the most profitable niches you can do this in, how to make a lot of videos, how to get views and subscribers to their videos. I tell you things that I haven't seen anybody else anywhere else teach, because I sincerely want you guys to be successful with this, and I've showed multiple of my friends how to do this. But not only do I have this course now, but I recently launched my second course, How to Make Money on YouTube Advanced Masterclass, and in this Advanced Masterclass, I show you guys some of the more advanced tactics that I use, like getting around copyright ID, and I show you examples of the full process from finding videos to downloading them, to making them upload worthy, to then uploading them. I show you multiple examples of the whole process. I show you advanced tactics for optimizing your videos for views and subscribers. And then lastly, which I think you guys are going to be the absolute most interested in, is how to get a monetized channel fast. I show you guys exactly how you can get a monetized channel very, very fast, because I get a lot of questions on how exactly could people do that. Now, you can check out the courses by themselves. As you can see, the Advanced Masterclass is $197. My main course is $99 right here. So if you guys do want to get a deal, you can check out, I do have a bundle as well, in which you get both courses for only $250, as opposed to $300 by buying each of them separately. So if you guys want to get that deal, you can check out the bundle as well. And if you buy any of my courses, you can leave a comment within the course sections, and I will try my best to answer you guys as much as possible. I've answered a lot of people's questions within them, so if you buy any of these courses, you can like see what other people are asking, and then I answer their questions as well. And if I get enough questions on any single topic, I'll try to record a new video and then put it inside of the course to really help you guys. I want to help you guys as much as possible, and I want to share ways of making money online so you guys can make money as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.